Handling painful goodbyes, lesson 6.
One of the painful goodbyes is that of losing one's role, whether current or desired. It may be loss of a job, demotion, failure to attain a desired status like marriage, parenthood, and some similar losses.
Here are some helpful ideas in such a situation. Number 1. Do not suppress your emotions.
Accepting that you are in pain is the first step towards healing. Failure to acknowledge the internal hurting creates stress-related illnesses.
Number 2. Develop a way of responding to those who love rumor mongering.
There are some questions that are meant to break you. There is need for wisdom in responding to them. It is not all questions that should be answered.
Number 3. Remember that you are not defined by your losses.
Losing a role does not mean that you are a loser. A good attitude is helpful and therapeutic.
Number 4. Seek professional help from those who are able to deal with losses.
The family may go through a rough patch because of role loss. This may be further intensified by failure to get non-judgmental professional help.
Number 5. Surrender it to the one who knows the future.
Our view is limited by finiteness, but the Almighty knows much better. It may be hard to understand it during the time of loss, and the burden may be heavy. Surrendering to the Omniscient One reduces the intensity of the anguish.
Our prayer is that those grieving raw loss may be healed from their pain. I am yours truly, Skhumbuzo Dube.
And Soneni Dube.
Your thoughts on this lesson? Leave your comments below.
Brought to you by Shunem K.